Self-confidence is the belief in one's abilities, qualities, and judgment. It's an essential trait that can significantly impact various aspects of your life, from personal relationships to professional success. However, building self-confidence is not always straightforward. It requires consistent effort, practice, and a positive mindset. Here are some tips and exercises to help you build and maintain self-confidence. 1. Set achievable goals. Start by setting small, attainable goals. When you accomplish these goals, it gives you a sense of achievement and boosts your confidence. Gradually increase the difficulty of your goals as you become more confident in your abilities. Exercise. Write down 3 small goals you want to achieve this week. They could be as simple as completing a household chore, finishing a book, or starting a new hobby. Check them off as you accomplish them. 2. Positive self-talk. Your internal dialogue plays a crucial role in shaping your self-confidence. Practice replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Be kind to yourself and recognize your strengths and achievements. Exercise. Every morning, look in the mirror and say 3 positive things about yourself. It could be about your appearance, your skills, or your accomplishments. Repeat this daily. 3. Face your fears. Avoiding challenges can reinforce a lack of confidence. Instead, confront your fears head-on. Each time you face a fear and come out on the other side, your confidence will grow. Exercise. Identify one fear that's holding you back and create a plan to confront it. For example, if you're afraid of public speaking, start by speaking in front of a small group of friends. Celebrate your successes. Take time to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. This recognition reinforces your belief in your abilities. Exercise. Keep a success journal where you write down your daily achievements, big or small. Review it regularly to remind yourself of your progress. Learn new skills. Acquiring new skills can significantly boost your confidence. It shows that you are capable of learning and adapting, which is a powerful confidence booster. Exercise. Enroll in a class or start a new hobby that interests you. It could be anything from learning a new language to cooking a new cuisine. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you spend time with can influence your self-confidence. Surround yourself with supportive, positive individuals who believe in you and encourage you to achieve your goals. Exercise. Make a list of people who make you feel good about yourself and spend more time with them. Reduce interactions with those who bring you down. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being can improve your overall confidence. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, sufficient sleep, and mindfulness practices can help you feel better about yourself. Create a self-care routine that includes activities you enjoy, such as reading, meditating, or exercising. Stick to this routine to maintain your well-being. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you build confidence. Picture yourself succeeding in a task or situation. This mental rehearsal can make the actual experience feel more familiar and less daunting. Exercise. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing a successful outcome for a challenge you're facing. Imagine the steps you'll take and how you'll feel when you achieve your goal. Accept imperfection. Perfectionism can be a significant barrier to self-confidence. Understand that making mistakes is a part of learning and growth. Accept your imperfections and view them as opportunities for improvement. Exercise. Identify a recent mistake or setback and write down what you learned from it. Focus on the positive aspects and how it can help you improve. Seek professional help. If self-doubt is significantly affecting your life, consider seeking help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide you with strategies and support to build your self-confidence. Exercise. Research. Local therapists or online counseling options and schedule an appointment to discuss your confidence issues. Building self-confidence is a journey that requires patience and perseverance. By incorporating these tips and exercises into your daily routine, you can develop a stronger belief in yourself and your abilities. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect. It's about believing in your potential and taking action despite your fears.